Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the video. So if you guys haven't seen the previous two, definitely go check those out after this. You guys can go ahead and watch this one first, but then go check those ones out. I'm also here with Blake. He knows some people who are in the drift community, so we're gonna go check that out. There's a big drifting event going on here at Super Lot Battle, so we're gonna go film that, maybe ride in a drift car, who knows, but also check out Blake's channel because he has like a bunch of like awesome contacts that he can pretty much get some cool content as well. So
and we're gonna have in-car footage.
Oh yeah, he's gonna be filming in the car, and then yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So definitely stay tuned, check these out. It's gonna be so much fun. So right now we're heading over and we'll ride in one of the drift cars. It's gonna be super awesome. But yeah, like I did this last year with Adam. It was really cool, but hopefully it'll be really fun this year because I've never done it in a seat. Yeah, so we're just kind of chilling right now. We both got to ride in like the drift cars and filmed a bunch of those. And I also have a shortcoming that has one of like the drift cars actually crashed in the wall and the bumper goes flying off.
One of the 350Zs, the green one.
But yeah, within like minutes, you had the bumper right back on. It's all scuffed up, but I mean, hey,
zip ties, baby.
I mean, it's a drift car. That's what you do. You just zip tie it back on, you're good to go. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Like, I really do appreciate like the subscribers. It really helps me out. So please go down, hit the subscribe button, and like I said, see the previous 2 videos because those were pretty awesome as well. I have so much more to come. And in the future, Blake plans on building a drift car, so definitely subscribe to his channel because when that build starts, it's going to be absolutely insane. So what exactly do you plan on getting?
You're gonna get a 350Z. Just run it till the wheels fall off and then LS swap it. That's the goal. So the homie Adam most likely gonna help me LS swap it. It's gonna be freaking sick, and then hopefully we can get good enough to come to events like this and meet you guys and watch the videos and just have a freaking good time and party.
Dude, it's gonna be awesome. So definitely hit subscribe on my channel, and down in the description down below, hop over to Blake's channel, hit the subscribe on his channel.
Really appreciate it.
Because we have so much stuff coming out. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.